Welcome to this training on Microsoft Excel. In this session, we will learn the key options available in the Home tab, which are commonly used by customer support and back-office teams for day-to-day work. These tools help you enter data, format information, and manage records efficiently. Clipboard section. Paste, cut, copy, and format painter. Let's start with the Clipboard section on the left. The copy option is used to duplicate data, such as customer details or transaction values. The cut option allows you to move data from one place to another. The paste option inserts copied or cut data into a new cell. Format Painter helps apply the same formatting, like font, color, or borders, to multiple cells quickly. This is especially useful when standardizing support logs or reports. Font section. Font style, size, bold, color, borders. Next is the font section, used to control how data looks. You can change the font style and font size to make information easier to read. Use bold to highlight important values, such as high-priority tickets or outstanding amounts. Font color and cell background color can be used to visually differentiate statuses like open, pending, and closed. Borders help clearly separate records, making reports neat and professional. Alignment section. Text alignment, wrap text, merge, and center. The alignment section controls how text appears inside the cell. You can align text to the left, center, or right based on reporting standards. Wrap text is very useful for customer support descriptions, as it allows long comments or issue details to be visible within the same cell. Merge and center is typically used for report headings or titles. Number section. General format, currency, percentage, decimals. The number section defines how values are displayed. For financial or back-office users, currency format is used for invoices, payments, and expenses. Percentages can be applied to performance metrics or SLA compliance. You can also increase or decrease decimal places to maintain accuracy in calculations. Styles section. Conditional formatting, table, cell styles. Now let's look at the Styles section. Conditional formatting automatically highlights data based on rules. For example, overdue tickets can appear in red, and resolved tickets in green. Formatting data as a table improves readability and makes filtering and sorting easier. Predefined cell styles like good, bad, or neutral help quickly indicate data status. Cells section. Insert, delete, and format. The Cells section helps manage the worksheet structure. You can insert or delete rows and columns when new customer cases or transactions are added. Formatting options allow you to adjust row height or column width for better visibility. Editing section. AutoSum, fill, clear, sort and filter, find and select. Finally, the editing section helps with data management. AutoSum quickly calculates totals, which is helpful for back-office reconciliation or daily summaries. Fill allows you to copy patterns, such as dates or serial numbers. Sort and filter helps customer support teams view only open cases or high-priority tickets. Find and select allows you to search for specific customer IDs, names, or reference numbers instantly. The Home tab contains the most commonly used Excel tools for customer support and back-office work. By mastering these options, you can work faster, reduce errors, and manage data more effectively. Practice using these features daily to improve efficiency and confidence in Excel. Got an idea for a process, product, or business improvement? Share it with us, and we'll map out the next step workflow for execution. Comment or DM us today. We will provide this in 1 hour.